Hi, I'm Sam from Great Northern Docks. And something that all dock owners face in the north is the need to remove docks before winter. You know, summer is awesome here in Maine, but we know that come September, things start getting colder. We know that the lake is going to freeze over and the ice does terrible things to docks that are left in the lake. So it's really important to pull the dock from the lake and put it away safely for winter. But with docks being made of wood, like mine is, they're oftentimes heavy, cumbersome, and oftentimes there's never enough help to remove the dock in the fall. After a long summer when there's been so many people enjoying it, it's like, well, where's everybody when you need them to take the dock out? Well, with this wooden dock, we're not going to need very many people at all. And all you need to know is a few pointers, a few tips that I can help you with here in this video. So let's get started, okay? So first things first, when you get started with a project like this, consider safety. You're around the water, have some decent shoes on. If you're in really deep water, it wouldn't be a bad idea to wear a life vest. Safety first, gloves are really important, protect your hands. Also, if you're using any kind of power tool, which I happen to have one here, safety glasses are a good thing to have if you're using any kind of power tools. And I recommend cordless, don't use any cords near the water, okay? So in my tool group, what I've got is all the necessary wrenches to undo the fasteners that will take this dock apart. And that includes ratchet wrenches with sockets, open-end wrench, and I've got a set of Allen wrenches here. I also have a jack pole that comes apart in 2 pieces, 3 pieces with the jack, and that's something I'm going to use to help pick up the dock sections one at a time. That way I don't have to use brute strength. So I've got everything I need here, and I'm good to go. To begin with, remove all of the accessories such as solar lights, bumpers, ladders, benches, anything that went on after the dock was put in should come out first. So essentially, last in is first out. Number the pipe legs, just number them on the left side, say 1L and then 1R on the right side. And after you pull the pipes and store them on the shore, you'll remember which legs go where next spring. Here we're using a jack pole and a winch to hold the weight of the dock section so we can remove the legs that are supporting the dock. The sections are not very big. They're only 4 foot by 8, and the decking is made in removable panels. The panels are not very heavy. They can be easily carried by one person. These sections are joined together by the use of J-brackets. Once that bolt has been removed, he can then lower that dock section using the winch, placing it right onto the boat. Just picking up with the winch a little bit will loosen the pipes from the soil. If you build your portable dock with lightweight materials like spruce, red cedar, white cedar, or Douglas fir, you'll find it's much easier to handle annually installing and removing. This dock is going to be put on sawhorses above the expected snow cover so that air flows around them, and air is going to flow a lot better if we leave the decking out and just have the empty frames stored on the shore. Take the time during fall removal to grease all the set screws if needed. And that's it. This dock is out, ready for winter, and also ready to go back in next spring. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Thank you for watching.